Before buying a hair straightener, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all straighteners are created equal. Some can actually damage your hair while others enhance its shine and health. Let's uncover the best options available. Product number 1: Remington Anti-Static Flat Iron. First up is the Remington 1 Flat Iron. Priced at just $19.07, it boasts features like anti-static technology and a rapid 30-second heat-up. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers a sleek finish, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The anti-static tech reduces static by 50%, which is crucial if you struggle with frizz and flyaways. Plus, the 30% longer ceramic floating plates mean you can cover more hair with each pass, saving you time. With 10,000 plus sales in the past month, it shows that many are turning to this as a reliable choice. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's hard to expect premium materials, and for many, that's not a deal breaker if it styles well. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable straightener that gets the job done. Skip this one if you have extremely thick hair that requires more power and control. Alright, if the Remington's build quality didn't sit well with you, this next one might have a sturdier feel while still being affordable. Product number 2: Kai Original Ceramic Flat Iron. Next, we have the Kai Original Ceramic Flat Iron at $50.87. What caught my attention here is its advanced ceramic technology, which ensures even heat distribution. If you're after a professional finish at home, this one might just be your new best friend. The one floating plates glide through your hair, preventing snagging, and the fixed temperature of 392 degrees F works best on thin hair. This consistency helps achieve shiny, frizz-free results without excessive heat damage. With over 8,000 units sold recently, it's clear this flat iron has found its fans. However, some users mentioned it could be too hot for certain hair types. I'll be real with you. If you have very fine hair, you might want to keep an eye on the styling time and use it carefully to avoid heat damage. This is perfect for you if you have thin to medium hair and want something that can also create curls or flips. Skip this if you have thick hair or need more temperature control for styling. Now, if you're looking for a tool that can give you shine without spending too much, the next product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 3: Elange Hair Le Ceramique Flat Iron. Third on our list is the Elange Hair Le Ceramique Flat Iron, priced at $50.23. What stood out to me is its promise of one-pass styling, which is perfect for those busy mornings when time is of the essence. The proprietary ceramic coating helps lock in moisture while reducing frizz, giving you shiny, sleek results in a snap. Plus, its rounded edges allow for versatile styling, whether you want straight locks or soft curls. With 6,000 units sold this month, it seems to be a favorite among those who want quick styling. But here's the catch. Some users reported that it doesn't heat up as quickly as advertised. Honestly, while this can be frustrating, many found the results worth the wait, especially given the shine and health benefits. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish tool that's easy to use and delivers great results. Skip this if you often style very thick hair that may need higher heat settings. If you're curious about a more budget-friendly option that still offers professional quality, the next one might surprise you. Product number 4: ANNLARY 2-in-1 Flat Iron and Curler. Coming in fourth is the ANNLARY 1-inch Flat Iron and Curler, priced at $31.76. This caught my eye due to its dual functionality, allowing for both straightening and curling, which is a great space saver. Equipped with ionic technology, it releases negative ions to reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Plus, the fast heating time of just 20 seconds means you won't be waiting around. With 5,000 sales lately, it's clearly appealing to a wide audience. Now, some reviews mention the plates can snag hair if not used carefully. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and section your hair properly, this isn't typically an issue and can lead to beautifully styled hair. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, versatile option that works well for various hairstyles. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward design without the curling feature. Finally, if you're looking for something that prioritizes hair health while styling, the last product on our list might just be what you need. Product number 5, Remington Shine Therapy Flat Iron. Last but definitely not least, we have the Remington Shine Therapy Flat Iron at $43.23. I was really impressed by its advanced ceramic plates infused with argan oil and keratin. How cool is that? This means you're getting 9x more ceramic than standard models, promoting shine and reducing frizz as you style. The micro conditioner works to enhance your hair's health while styling. Given that over 4,000 have been sold recently, it's clear that many are seeing the benefits of this technology. However, some users noted that it might not heat up as quickly as others. Honestly, while that's a slight inconvenience, the health benefits and shine might just outweigh the weight for many users. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightener that actively improves your hair's condition as you style. Skip this if you're in a rush and need something that heats up instantly without delay. So there you have it, 5 fantastic hair straighteners to consider, each with its own unique benefits. To wrap it up, we covered the Remington Anti-Static Flat Iron for budget-friendly styling, the Kai Original for professional results, the L-Lange for quick one-pass styling, the ANNLARY for versatility, and the Remington Shine Therapy for healthy hair. Each of these has its strengths, so think about what matters most for your hair and styling needs. Thanks for tuning in.